Welcome to my YouTube channel Cool Ideas. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel to get notification for any new uploads. In this video I will talk about Smart Fish Finder. This device will help you to locate fish in ponds, lakes, streams and rivers, and you can catch the fish. This device is ideal for shore fishing, pier fishing, canoe fishing, ice fishing and night fishing. Let's talk about how to use this Smart Fish Finder while fishing. The Smart Fish Finder is a sonar bobber that attaches to the end of your line. Simply cast it into the water. Within seconds, it sends an alert to your phone via a free app to tell you where the fish are, how deep they are and how big they are. It also provides water temperature, waterbed mapping, GPS spot tagging, trip log and social media sharing via a free app on your smartphone. Provides sonar readings up to 135 feet deep. This device works in salt water and fresh water for shore fishing, pier fishing, canoe fishing, ice fishing and night fishing. Application is compatible with iPhone, iPad and Galaxy Android also. This app compatible with Apple Watch and Google Watch. Operates up to 10 hours on a full charge. Product includes charging base and carrying case. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Have a great day.